Let's talk about pee problems. Ladies and women of the world, let's talk about peeing our pants. In partnership with TENA. 1 in 4 women will experience some form of urinary incontinence. While pregnancy and childbirth up your chances of having urinary incontinence, you're not off the hook if you haven't had kids. Thanks to hormonal shifts and the effects of aging on our muscles and tissues, the leak nest monster eventually comes for many of us. Incontinence can really impact your life by limiting the activities you can do, messing with your social life, and affecting your sex life. Some people think incontinence is just part of getting older and that it's something you've got to live with. But it isn't. There are a lot of things that you can do to help stop leaks for good. But first, let's learn a few fun facts. There are 2 main types of urinary incontinence. The most common type is stress urinary incontinence, or SUI. If you accidentally pee when you cough, sneeze, or do high-impact sports like running, that's SUI. The other most common type is called urge incontinence, or UI. If you often suddenly have to pee and have to do it immediately or else, that's UI. And some women experience a mix of both. SI is caused by damage to your pelvic floor, a group of muscles that sit like a bouncy hammock at the base of your pelvis and support your bladder, rectum, and reproductive organs. Your pelvic floor can be injured by things like pregnancy, vaginal birth, or lots of high-impact sports. Urge incontinence happens when the muscles in your bladder become overactive and start to spasm. While women might need to see a urogynecologist for more advanced treatments, in most cases, a pelvic physiotherapist can assess you and design an individualized rehabilitation regime that you can do at home. Treatment will probably involve doing Kegel exercises, where you strengthen your pelvic floor by squeezing it, and bladder training, where you practice holding in your pee for increasingly longer periods of time. But you don't have to wait until you've completely fixed the problem to live your life. Get a boost of confidence with discreet protection that looks just like regular underwear, so you can dance, laugh, and jump to your heart's content.